You're going to love this trick. Here's how I cook chicken wings. We'll need 1 kilo of chicken wings. I'm going to trim the tips. Then, I'll place each one on a clip that I tied on this string. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jordan White from Asheville. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a pot, I'll add water. And when it's boiling, we'll place the wings inside. We'll leave them there for 4 minutes. After that time, I'll remove them from the pot. In another pan, I'll add a bit of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and stir until melted. Once that's done, we'll move the wings to the pan, remove the clips, and fry for 2 minutes on each side. I'm sure you've never made chicken like this before, so take the chance and save this recipe for later. We'll season with half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, I'll add a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix our sauce well. Now, I'll pour all the sauce into the pan. We'll also add 1 cup of Coca-Cola and stir. Finally, cover the pan and let it cook for 20 minutes. When you try this recipe, come back and tell us what you thought. I'm sure you'll love it. Have you ever cooked chicken wings a different way? Tell us about it.